In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task mode in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch a task between manually scheduled and automatically scheduled, and when each option makes sense for your plan. First, a quick overview. Task mode controls how Project treats a task's start, finish, and duration. With manually scheduled, you set the dates yourself, and Project won't shift them automatically, even if dependencies change. This is helpful early in planning, when dates are tentative or when you want full control. With automatically scheduled, Project calculates dates based on links, constraints, calendars, and other factors. If a predecessor moves or a calendar changes, the task updates accordingly. In your views, the task mode field shows a small icon next to each task, so you can tell at a glance which mode it's using. You can make this change in either the Gantt chart or task sheet view. If you don't see the task mode column, that's easy to add. Right-click any column header, choose Insert Column, and select Task Mode. Adjust the column width if needed so you can clearly see each task's setting and the drop-down selector. One way to change task mode is directly in that task mode column. Click in the cell for the task you want to adjust, then use the drop-down to choose manually scheduled or auto-scheduled. The change takes effect immediately. If you switch to automatically scheduled, Project may recalculate the dates based on your existing dependencies and constraints, which is normal. If you switch to manually scheduled, the dates stop moving automatically, and you can type the start, finish, or duration you want. Manually scheduled tasks can hold placeholders like TBD, which can be handy during rough planning. Another way is through the ribbon. Select the task or tasks you want to update. On the Task tab, look for the Schedule group. Click Manually Schedule or Auto Schedule, depending on what you need. This works great for multiple tasks at once. Use Shift to select a range or Control to pick non-adjacent tasks before you press the button. If a button appears grayed out, make sure a task is selected and you're not actively editing a field. As you work, keep an eye on the task mode icons to confirm your changes, and remember that mode changes apply only to the tasks you select. Use manual mode when you want firm control or placeholders, and automatic mode when you want Project to manage timing based on your plan logic. That's all there is to it. 2 quick methods, same result, and a schedule that behaves the way you expect.